I just noticed something while rebuilding this reed valve, but look at the bend in this one compared to this one. I know that this is correct. This one's been bent, but I don't remember bending. You can get a real good. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to go over to my other parts place and see if I can find another one of these, since I keep everything. But that is just flat out weird. How in the hell did that get bent? Anyway, I've rebuilt the reed cage, and I've used a little bit of thread locker blue. That's what I like to use. I gotta wipe that off. That just makes sure that everything's where it should be and not out of place. There's no, I don't see any leaks or anything. That's what you want to look for, is leaks. You want to make sure that the reed is touching on everything. One more thing I want to point out, and this, I'm not positive on it, but since 4-strokes have metal valves, it's not a problem. 2-strokes have this fibrous stuff. Now what I don't know is if mixing your fuel with a little bit of this VTCYCLES, which is I don't know, 5 gallon goes a long ways, but I don't know if that will chemically affect the reed material. So if anyone knows, I'm not going to use it until I know. Right.